What if the difference between a listing that sits on the market for 60 days and one that gets multiple showings in the first weekend is just the way it is written? Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use Claude AI to transform your MLS listing descriptions into compelling, conversion-focused copy in just a few minutes. Most agents write MLS descriptions the same way they were trained years ago, just listing the facts. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, updated kitchen. But buyers today are scrolling through dozens of listings, and facts alone do not make someone stop and schedule a showing. Claude AI is a powerful writing assistant that can take your raw property notes and turn them into emotionally engaging, search-optimized listing descriptions that speak directly to your ideal buyer. And the best part is you do not need any technical skills to use it. Here is exactly how to do it. Start by opening Claude AI and typing a simple prompt like this: I am a real estate agent and I need help writing an MLS listing description. Then paste in your raw notes about the property. Things like the square footage, recent upgrades, lot size, neighborhood highlights, and any unique features. Claude will instantly generate a polished description that leads with a compelling hook, highlights the most desirable features, and ends with a call to action that motivates buyers to schedule a showing. It takes information that would take you 30 minutes to write and produces it in seconds. You can also tell Claude who the target buyer is, and it will adjust the tone and vocabulary accordingly. For example, if you are listing a starter home near good schools, you can say, write this for a first-time buyer family. And Claude will naturally weave in the details that matter most to that specific audience. Claude can also help you write multiple versions of the same listing, so you have one for MLS, one shorter version for social media, and another for your email newsletter, all from the same original prompt and property notes. One of the most powerful things you can do is ask Claude to optimize your description for specific buyer search terms without sounding robotic or keyword stuffed. Just say include search-friendly phrases buyers use when looking for homes in this area, and Claude will handle the rest naturally. Agents who use Claude consistently tell me they are saving hours every week on copywriting, and more importantly, they are seeing more inquiries and faster offer timelines because their listings are simply more engaging than the competition. I put together a free guide that walks you through the exact Claude AI prompts I recommend for writing MLS descriptions, including the starter home version, the luxury property version, and the investment property version. If you would like my free guide, just comment Claude and I will send it right to you.